Hey, JD and FIA, I'm going to show you these chords you can play to kind of usher in the atmosphere of worship at your service at the during either opening up or during prayer or just whenever you would just be playing chords. Usually what I do when I do this, I'll have strings or a pad playing in the background. I didn't put it on for this video, but usually I have strings or pads, whatever you like in the background. All right, so what I'm doing is basically the left hand, I'm going to stay on C the whole time. I'm in the key of C. All right, I'm going to play like 3 different chords here. All right, so I'm in C. All right, I'm going to hit the C pretty much on every chord. The right hand though, all right, I'm going to start off with a C major chord. Left hand C and C. You can add the G if you want to. So I got C, G, and C. Right hand, I'm playing as E, G, and C. Alright, so just a regular C major chord. Alright, I'm going to keep the right hand going. Alright, and then I'm going to hit that move there. I'm playing, I'm keeping the G and C the whole time on my right hand. Alright, I'm going to keep those two. I'm going to take my thumb and I'm going to go D, E, F. Alright, while hitting the G and C at the same time. Alright, so we got C, go to the D. Alright, now I'm on F, G, and C. Then I'm going to go down to the D again, F, and then E. So the G and C is staying the same, and I'm playing this melody with my thumb. D, F, E, 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 D, E, F, F, E. Alright, and I'm just keeping the G and C. And then when you want to make a big, you can build up. Alright, I went to the G. When I went to the D, G, and so I build up on the F, hit the D, and when I hit the D, I'm playing G in my left hand, building up a 5 chord. Because ultimately this is a 5 chord G sus. And then go back to my C. Bring it down here. Alright, you can even play it up here. And you can add G, C, and G, C. Alright, add it again, G and C and G and C. And while I'm doing that G and C, I'm playing the C in my left hand, covering the bass. Then I come back on the E, G, and C to the F, and I keep this going. All right, very simple. right. So I hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.